Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, open your. Today we are going to solve worksheet grammar part, both the chapters, right? Chapter 3, chapter 4, sorry. Okay,
Ma'am, you
grammar
got
of.
the quiz. I sent you yesterday. You got the quiz, Nisha.
Yes, Nisha, I have seen it. Okay. Very nice of you that you are trying.
I have taken screenshot.
Very good, Vija. Now see it is for you. Okay. So now see, let's start with the worksheet 6A. Here we are going to solve the worksheet grammar part for chapter 4. In chapter 4 grammar we have learned about the things. But before this, let's write down the phrases. Page number, which page in your worksheet? Actually, I am using the old worksheet. So I think in your worksheet page number 16, right?
Yes, ma'am. Grammar. Underline the phrases.
Underline the phrases in these sentences and write whether they are noun phrase, adjective phrase, prepositional phrase or adverb phrase. Let's see here. First one, the man wearing a black coat is my uncle. Page number which, Nisha?
16, ma'am.
In worksheet, right? Everyone, be aware about it. Question number A. Write down first.
Ma'am, at the time of submission, we have to submit the workbook also.
Yes, beta. See, you can means it is good if you submit all the things: textbook, workbook, notebook, worksheet. All right. Okay. The man wearing a black coat is my uncle. It is noun phrase. Second one. He went home early because of a headache. Adverb phrase. Third one. She keeps her photo album safe in the cupboard. Prepositional phrase. Fourth one. There is not much water under the bridge. Prepositional phrase. You both can take, one can sit over here. Right, wait for. See, Kavya and Jia both are here in school today.
Good morning, ma'am.
I will. Okay. Good. See, look at them. Come here. Meet your friends. Come. See, Kavya and Jia both are here in school. I hope that all of you will also join soon, right? How many of you want to school right now?
Ma'am,
May
you
are to.
मैम स्कूल में ही तो है स्कूल में ही तो है आप भले स्कूल से पढ़ा पर हम तो स्कूल में ही है ना घर पे होम में स्कूल है
All right. So wherever you want to come, you can come in school, right? If any one of you wants to come, you can come. We will enjoy. See, the fourth one. There is not much water under the bridge. Under the bridge, prepositional phrase. Now, look here. Fifth one. Mr. Atul is my favorite math teacher. Adjective phrase.
Noun.
Adjective phrase, beta. Adjective phrase. Favorite math teacher. Page number 16 in your worksheet. They live in a red brick house. Adjective phrase.
Adjective phrase.
Yes. Now question B. Use the phrases in sentences of your own. Question B is 1. Beautiful chair. I saw a beautiful chair.
Ma'am, can we make our own sentence?
Yes, beta. I saw a beautiful chair at the wooden furniture. Chair at the wooden furniture fair. Good, good. At the wooden furniture fair. Thank you, ma'am. At the wooden furniture fair. At the wooden furniture fair. Now, second one. Beyond the river. On going beyond the river, you will get to the forbidden island. On going beyond the river, you will
And what you
get
write after
to
furniture?
fair, F-A-I-R, fair, मतलब मेला, okay, furniture मेला. Now on going beyond the river, you will get to the, Bhavya sai, switch off your camera so that they can see clearly. To the forbidden island. Now, third one. All the afternoon. We played cartoon all afternoon yesterday. We played cartoon games. Sorry, carom here.
Ma'am?
Carom.
Ma'am, what do you write after will get to?
Forbidden. F-O-R-B-I-D-D-E-N. Forbidden island. We played carom all afternoon yesterday. Now,
Done, ma'am.
sister. Now next one. With my sister. Now see fourth one, right? I visited the temple with my sister yesterday. Write down. I visited the temple with my sister yesterday. Now fifth one. All the bus stop. I am waiting for the bus at the bus stop. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus at the bus stop. Now sixth one. beneath the trees. The lion is resting with its cub beneath the trees of neem. The lion is resting with its cub beneath the trees of neem. Match the words in column A with the words in column B. Cast all the actors. Question C1. Cast all the actors. Second one. Script the words of the play.
The world of play through which story is developed.
Good. The words of the play through which
Ma'am, we have to match by drawing lines, or we have to write like A, so answer A.
is it given there? So you can write better. Actually in my worksheet I am using the old one, na? So here it was not written. You can directly match.
Ma'am, I draw line.
Yes, you can draw a line. Story is developed. Now third one.
Ma'am,
Dialogue.
don't write this much big. Ma'am, you can just write A then or B, then also we can get that from which we have to match. We can understand. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Don't write that.
Okay, wait for a while then. Cast first C. Script C. Dialogue E. Comedy F.
Done, ma'am.
A. Tragedy B. Right. D, C, E, F, A, B. What is the sequence of answers? Write down, it's here. First D, second C, third E,
A.
fourth comedy, fourth F, a funny and amusing play. Fifth A, sixth B. Okay?
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written like this. Is it okay? Please look at my camera.
Yes, good. Okay. Now see here, complete the dialogue with 5
Ma'am,
or
look at
6.
my camera. I written like this.
Good. Chalega. Okay, fine. Right, now see, we are going to write the conversation, right? Is it complete?
No, ma'am, not complete.
Oh God. Who are you? Dvija. Kavedan? Good. Now see here. Here is dialogue writing between Nikki and Ryan. Nikki had been to an amusement park and Ryan wants to know about her experience. Ryan, how was your trip to the scary castle in Spooky Land? What an experience it was. Ryan, what was scariest theme in the park? Here, Ryan, write down. What was the scariest theme in the park. Theme in the park. Now, Nikki, not very firm. Write down, Nikki. Not.
Ma'am, can we write by skipping one line between each sentence?
Is it? Yes, yes. You are having space at the end, na? So if needed, you can draw a line. Right? Skip one line after one dialogue. Nikki, not very firm. One of the oldest. One of the oldest theme parks. Yes. Theme park. After one dialogue, Kavya. Okay? When you finish, Nikki, Royan, skip one line here. Yes, beta. What happened? Do you have any query? Any doubt or?
Ma'am, after Riyan, we have to skip one line.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Now, parks in the United States. In the United States. It is home to 15 frightening, FRIGHTEN, frightening attractions. Including nine horrifying mazes. Horrifying mazes.
Ma'am, after including what you write?
909. Okay. 9 ऐसे लिखो ना. Now it is looking like right. Now skip one line. Riyan, oh, it's too scary. What is found more enjoyable there? Ryan, yes, beta.
What is written after horrifying?
Mazes, M-A-Z-E-S. Now, Ryan, oh. It's too scary. What is found more?
Ma'am, wait
What is
for
found
1 minute.
Yes, yes, beta. What is found more enjoyable there? Now, Nikki. This park features various attractions. Nikki. This park features, various attractions.
Ma'am, what do you write in Ryan enjoyable after?
There, T-H-E-R-E, there. Okay. Now attractions, various. This park features various attractions such as rides and games.
Ma'am, horrifying after, what do you write?
Horrifying. Maze, M-A-Z-E-S. क्या हुआ बेटा? It is not visible clearly to you all. Now,
No, ma'am, it is not visible clearly because the pen was very light.
let me use black pen then.
Ma'am,
Okay, I am
if
using black
possible,
pen. Okay?
ma'am, if possible, please make the mazes Z a little bit of big in size.
Now, okay?
Yes, ma'am, okay.
Wait for a while, huh? Now see, now is it okay to you all?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. And games as well as other events. And activities for enrichment purposes. Enrichment purposes. Now, Ryan, I wish to see your pictures enjoying these games.
Ma'am, what do you write after in Nikki various?
Attractions. 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 Okay? Right? Now, enjoying
Yes,
these
Ma'am, what you have written
games.
after enrichment?
Purposes.
Purposes.
Okay.
Okay? Now see the next part. Now, Nikki, yes, sure. Please come to my house. I will show you. Nikki. Yes, sure.
Ma'am, now how much is remaining because I'm having only 8 lines.
Done. Nishta, this is the last line. Please come to my home. House या home, okay? Whatever you can write, house or home. My home, I will show you. I will show you. Yes, this much done. Now chapter 4. No, this one. Chapter 4 grammar part first.
Done, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now see chapter 4. What is there in chapter 4 grammar?
Side please, ma'am. Side please.
Yes, beta, wait.
Ma'am, can you please wait?
At the restaurant, dash you did not come. But first question A grammar. 4.
Ma'am, we are not.
Coordinate.
Ma'am,
Wait.
we have to solve the. Ma'am, the unseen and seen passage for chapter 4 is remaining. We have to solve it.
Yes, but let us finish grammar first. Unseen and seen passage can be solved by you people also, right? First, complete the grammar part. Okay, complete the sentences using and, or, but, or, it. Chapter 4, grammar, question A. First one. I waited for you at the restaurant, dash you did not come. But
you did not come.
take these mangoes, dash distribute them among the children. And distribute them among the children. Third one. What is there? She did not shout, dash, cry. She did not shout or cry.
Or cry.
Or cry. I asked her to be on time, dash she came late.
Yet she came late.
Yet. My friend was not trained to run long distances. Dash he wanted to practice in the marathon, win a prize.
But.
Sixth number. I have always been careful while crossing the road. Dash yesterday I tripped and fell near the camp. 8. Write in my worksheet also. Now, question 2. What is there? Join the sentences using and, or, but, or, it. Wait for a while. Let me drink water. Okay, wait for a while.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Akshay went to visit his friend Nitin. He was not at home. Yes, beta. Join the sentences using and, or, but, or, it.
Ma'am, in my worksheet, the grammar page for chapter number 4 is blank.
It is blank. Okay,
Yes,
leave it, Nisha. It's okay. कोई बात नहीं. Check the back page. It happens sometimes that.
Ma'am, when I open
it is the end of your worksheet after unseen passage.
Yes, ma'am. After unseen passage 2, it is end, and the page is there, but it is fully blank. Only some dots are visible.
Enjoy your day, Nisha. God is saying, take rest, Nisha. Don't write. Yes or no?
Ma'am, I will write it in the FNB.
No, it's okay. There is no need to write. Don't bother about it. Let it be. Hai na? Okay. Now see, you can just pay attention. The sentences, question B, I am going to write on the board, Nisha. You can copy it in your worksheet. Okay, beta? Question number B. For A, okay, it can be acceptable if you don't write. Question B, I am going to write the sentences on the board. You can copy it. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am. I will write it on that blank page only.
Yes, blank place. Right. Now see question B. Someone's mic is on. Write down. Akshay went to visit his friend Nitin. He was not at home. Write down. But Akshay
Ma'am,
went to. हाँ बेटा.
ma'am, I will borrow it from someone and then till today evening I will write it.
It's okay निष्ठा. Don't bother. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, चलेगा. नहीं है तो आपकी गलती नहीं हुई ना, वो कोई बात नहीं. आप खाली क्वेश्चन 2 लिखो और राइटिंग लिखना. क्वेश्चन 2, 3 एंड राइटिंग. ओके, क्वेश्चन देखो ये लिखना है आपको. B, then C and writing only. Okay, don't worry.
Ma'am, that
Okay, Nisha?
writing page is there. Ma'am, the writing page is there, but this grammar page is not there. Only lines are there in one page.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, तो बाय मिस्टेक इट हैपन. ओके, हो सकता है जेरोक्स में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ हो. डोंट
See, ma'am,
वरी.
I am showing. It is like this. On the another page.
Yes, it's mistake better, right? Okay, enjoy your day, Nisha. It is reducing your writing work. Okay? Now, for his friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, but he was not at home. He ka should be small. He was not
Ma'am,
at.
ma'am, Akshay went to visit his friend Nitin. Nitin, you don't.
Okay, you can write then. His friend Nitin. But he was not at home. Now, Mandy had a lot of time before the exam. She started early from home. 8, he started early from home. Write down. Mandy had a lot of time before exam. She started early from home. She started early from home. Third one, our math teacher expected some students from the class to do well. The student did not match up to his expectations. But our math teacher expected some students from the class to do well. Some students from the class to do well. But the students did not match up to his expectations. The students did not match to her expectations. Now fourth one. Polly has not learned the sum that she attempted and solved it. But 8. Polly has not learned the sum. मतलब ये अनएक्सपेक्टेड था कि वो सॉल्व भी कर पाएगी. एच आएगा. एच. Polly was not learned the sum. Eight, she attempted and solve Susan did not want to go to the theater. That she did not want to go to the park. Susan did not want to go to the theater or park. Okay? Susan did not want to go Susan did not want to go to the park, to go to the theater or the park. Now, sixth one. He woke up early that day. He went to school on time. He woke up early that day. Sixth one. He woke up early that day and went to school on time. He remove कर दो. And went to school on time. Now, the phrasal verbs in the sentences are all mixed up. Rewrite the sentences using the right phrasal verb. Class picked on food in a bored fashion. Picked at चाहिए ना यहाँ पे. Yes, beta. Picked at, beta. Chapter number 4, right? Picked at मतलब हाँ. Write down. Picked at चाहिए. First sentence. Charles picked at. Charles was picking at. Charles picked at his food. Write down. Charles picked at. Where to write? May I rub this part? Upar, yes?
Yes, ma'am. Last one, look up. Last two.
Yes. Charles picked at his food. Charles picked at his food in a bored fashion. Now second one. She gets picked out by the other children because she is so small. She gets picked on by the other children. She gets picked on मतलब tease करना. She gets picked on by other children Because it's so small. Because she is so small. Now, have you picked out a dress for the party? Have you picked out? Have you picked out a dress for the party?
Ma'am, in second answer, she, not he.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Second answer, he.
Okay. Now, have you picked out? Have you picked out means choose karna. Have you picked out a dress for the party? A dress for the party. For the party. Now fourth one. The birds were picking off the rubbish washed up on the beach. Write down. Birds were picking over the rubbish. Fourth one. Birds were picking over the rubbish. Washed up on the beach. The policeman picked the suspects over one by one. The policeman picked up the suspects and they ran. The policeman picked up the suspects over one by one as they ran away. As they ran away. Someone's speaker is on, beta. Please switch off your speaker.
Mahi, ma'am.
Mahi Aghara. Every day I have to tell you, beta.
मैम मेरा स्पीकर म्यूट नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे लाइट चली गई है, इसलिए आपका बोर्ड की बार स्टॉक हो रहा है। हमारे घर पे लाइट नहीं, आज वेडनेसडे है ना इसलिए।
Okay, I am muting you, Mahi. Okay, beta?
Ma'am, what do you write after S then?
Yes, as they ran away. R-A-N, ran away.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
completed.
today's homework complete remaining part of the worksheet, okay? Worksheet में जो कुछ भी बाकी है, you people have to complete it. Now it's
Ma'am,
time of
writing
present.
also.
Yes, beta. Writing also. Writing. I will give you writing. Okay, I will send you the picture of writing. Don't worry. Rest of the things you can complete. And if your worksheet gets incomplete, don't worry for it. Okay? Okay, we will complete it after correction time. I am not going to put incomplete work in the worksheet. If any remaining for any remaining part. Now it's time
Ma'am,
of presency. Give me your presency.
Ma'am, I will send my worksheet till the unseen passage 2 of chapter number 4 because after that 2 to 3 pages are blank.
Yes, it's okay. Now presency time. Give me your presency one by one, right? Let me take the phone down. Okay. See, roll number 1, Mahi Aghara, present. Sarang Aghara, Mannat Arya, Mannat is present. Better type in the chat box. Mubin present. Yash Bhayani present. Sham Bhimani. Sham Bhimani. Soumya Bhimani. Jai Charola. Bhavya Sai present. New Dava. Jia Desai. New Dava present. Okay, beta. Amna Payak. Amna. Amna. Shamgami. Speak up, guys. Rishabh Gandhi.
Shamgami present. Present, ma'am.
Rishabh Gandhi. Nishtha present. Divya Halwadia. दिव्या हलवादिया. याचिका जब आपकी टर्न आए तभी मैसेज किया करो. वीर केला. प्रियांशु मैजाड़िया. दर्शिल नारायणिया. दर्शिल. निर्वा.
Nirva present, ma'am.
पटेल. ओके. हैरी पटेल.
Harry Patel present, ma'am.
यशवी ठाकर. यशवी ठाकर. हीरो पोकारी.
Hero Pokari present, ma'am.
Ma'am, whose attendance is done, they can leave.
Yes, Niyati Rayani. Niyati Rayani. Okay, next page. Akshara Ranpara, Hir Sarodia.
Here Sarodia present, ma'am.
Akshara Ranpara, Swara Soni. Swara Soni. Vijay Togadia. Soumya Trivedi. Soumya Trivedi. Kavya Vadera present. Smit Vasani. Ashutosh.
Present, ma'am.
Jay Sarvalia. Jay Sarvalia. Okay. Now you can leave the class. Today's homework, complete the incomplete work, and I will send one quiz on coordinating conjunctions. Okay? Are you enjoying the quizzes? Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye. You can leave the class. Bye.